Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I want to go over all the scammers that are in crypto, but specifically on YouTube, those type of scammers. You'll see certain things like this. You'll see like this whole paragraph of text. Like I personally think that Bitcoin is becoming more of a store of value, like gold, and that one that's used as currency, like cash. I think its deflationary nature is headwind. All these different things, right? And then you'll get to the bottom, and it'll say like you can easily get to Albert on WhatsApp. Here's his Telegram. It's crypto related issues. This guy is amazing. Like trader, he's made me so much money. Like, look, he runs programs for investors and newbies who lack understanding of how trading Bitcoin works. And then you'll also get these other scam comments. Albert is a trader with a different approach entirely. This is right. This is exactly what big time investors are talking about, not just you. Spot on. And then every hodler should trade, and all this different things, right? My account reads 6 Bitcoin plus now because of him, and so yeah, literally all of these are just scams. Different accounts, all by the same person. They're bots spamming out to try and trick you into believing that it's an actual trading professional to make you money. This is not true. These are scams. So a lot of you already know this, and I'm sure a lot of you are already skeptical of them if you don't know if it's a scam or not. But now you know it is a scam. But I wanted to make this video just because my channel's for more newbies in crypto, and I can see if you're new to crypto how you can easily fall for something like this, because it definitely does look legit. Like they literally have all these different people replying and him talking about all these things, and sometimes it'll even be kind of related to the video in a sense, but then it'll go into detail on these things, which really annoyed me in the very beginning because I knew they were scams, and I'd read them all thinking they were genuine. I didn't think they were social engineering attacks to try and scam you out of your crypto. So then when I start seeing paragraphs like this, I look towards the bottom and look for any numbers or Telegram or anything like that. And I look at the replies a bit, like just like a briefly. And then if it doesn't sound scammy with my brief of looking at it, then I actually read the comment, because I like reading YouTube comments on different videos to see what people's inputs are. But obviously this guy's input does not matter. It's meant to trick you into thinking they're sincere, that they're actually truthful and they're legit and stuff. So yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick video and let you guys know, be aware of these scammers. There's so much scammers in crypto, so just be careful. So yeah, that's it for today. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you've never been scammed before, and if you have, hopefully you've learned from it, and hopefully no one has been scammed from these. I'm not too sure though. I wouldn't doubt it. Otherwise, why would they keep doing it if it hasn't worked? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.